First of all, thank you very much for the invitation in your prestigious conference as every year. COVID make us think in a different way as insurance sector as a whole in Greece, and of course as the company I represent. First of all, we were all obliged to change our target operating model. We have to make sure that the health of employees and intermediaries in the sector was our first priority. So we have to follow all the necessary rules, but definitely adapt the way we interact with our clients, the way we interact with the intermediaries, so as to facilitate the flow of information between ourselves. So that was something that was done very quickly, and I can say that the Greek insurance market was very adaptive to that. Digitalization. I don't need to repeat, the Prime Minister yesterday and the Minister today talk about digitalization. We have seen improvements in the government that make us all very proud of what has happened in Greece. In that sense, all insurance companies have to follow the same pattern, each one with a different pace. So we are implementing, first of all, besides the simple digitalization, we are implementing RPAs, robotic process automation procedures, so as to move very fast on certain products, machine learning and artificial intelligence wherever we can. What we have seen is that new risks have emerged. For example, when data flow are in such, through internet, in such open exposure, we have cyber risks. So insurance companies have to be able to deliver products that can cover cyber risks. We are not there yet because we don't have enough data and we have to be supported by the insurers, but we are moving towards that direction to protect not only our companies, but also the general framework of companies. Of course, the environment becomes more restrictive. We have more regulations like GDPR, especially with this free flow of information. New products. We were obliged to issue new products. First of all, since the state took over the COVID burden, we had to provide products that at least cover the tests, COVID tests, all the other rapid tests, etc., and of course the implications of the COVID after exiting the hospital. And all the companies were adapted, no exemptions were used in our contracts, and we are there to support the government in this area. Let's not forget that insurance business is a long-term investor, and it can help the economy, and especially the Greek economy, at this accelerating incremental phase that it's right now. We can help with cooperation between state and private insurance company that this company definitely believes in both covering natural disasters, health plans, and of course pension plans. We have to make sure that the stack percentage of 2% of the GDP has to grow to the European standards, as happens in every other growing economy. Last but not least, I would say that as a long-term investors, and because just a minute ago we heard about the huge project of Ellinikon, which goes beyond a restructuring project, a real estate project, we are here to support through our huge investments, and maybe some companies have money outside Greece, in ESG funds, supporting green energy, supporting environmental projects, and become a partner to the government in supporting these growth initiatives. The only thing we need, and we heard the Prime Minister yesterday, is that these tax reforms continue and the insurance sector gets some tax incentives that can help us boost the economy, because now it's the time for all of us.